If you are watching this video, you are one lucky person. So the people who created ChatGPT, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, go look it up because you've probably been living under a cave. But the people who created ChatGPT released a new product. OpenAI, the people who created ChatGPT, if you go here, they have ChatGPT, they have Dolly, and now they created a new project called Sora. This project is gonna be revolutionary because not only was ChatGPT, for mostly large language model for like words, you can ask it questions, you can tell it to be somebody that you want to talk to, you can ask it for advice, you can ask it for, help on whatever you need, ingredients, whatever it was. ChatGPT was like, you could type it away, even talk to it, but it was mostly for text, right? Then they created Dolly, which pretty much was an image generator. You could type in what type of image you want to generate it, and it would generate you that type of image. But it was revolutionary, but it was mostly just pictures. Now we have eventually advanced to videos. I'm talking about the newest update, Sora. That's the one we're on now. It says creating videos from text. As you can see here, creating videos from text. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. We're going to read the technical report in a little bit, but it kind of goes something like this. This is AI generated. Look how crispy this is. Look how the prompt was a stylish woman walking down Tokyo streets filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage. Look how realistic this looks. Right here, boom. This one. Several giant woolly mammoths approach, threading through the snow meadows. Literally, look at this. Look how realistic this looks. Look at this. It says a movie trailer featuring adventures of a 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet, blue skies, salt desert, cinematic style, shot in 35 film. Literally, look how crispy this is. Look how crispy this is. And the thing is, these are just, I'm talking about, you just enter these little prompts and it gives you this. Look at this. So if you need Shutterstock images, if you need free little images, look how easy this is. Look how easy this is. You can create your own. This says animated scene featuring a close-up of a short, fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. Look at this. The candle's literally melting. And like I said, the reason why this is so important is because this is just the beginning. Okay? Like the cinematic. Okay, it's a close-up view of a glass sphere that has Zen garden within it. Look at this. And this is all AI generated. Look at this, an eye. It's an extreme close-up of a 24-year-old woman's eye blinking, standing in a Marrakech. I don't know what that is, but pretty much look how detailed this is. I'm talking about the skin right here looks real. The eyelashes are high def. Look at this. This actually looks real. The shadows of her eyes. Look at this. And this is all AI generated, meaning it wasn't edited or anything. Okay? It said the camera follows behind a white vintage. So you could even have it to where it follows a certain object. Look at this. Look how powerful this is. This looks like this is a real thing. This looks like this is a real place. Okay? Look at this. I'm talking about it even gives you the fake reflections. AI is here to stay. AI is here to stay. And the reason why this is so powerful, I'm just kind of showing you these videos because in a little bit, I'm going to show you how you can make money off of this. Right now it's not available to the public, but right now I'm going to show you how you can eventually make money off of this. Look at this. Art gallery. Like I said, beautiful snow, Tokyo City bustling. The camera moves through the bustling city streets, following several people enjoying the beautiful snow. Look at this, panning the people. These people don't even exist. This is not even real. Look at this. Enjoying themselves. Look at this. Wow. It's a stop motion animated flower growing. Look at this. A flower blooming. Look how powerful this is. Look how powerful this is. It's a step printing scene of a person running cinematic film shot in 35. Look at this. Look how realistic this is. This is actually one of my favorites. The prompt was a basketball through a hoop, then explodes. Like, AI is getting crazy. So you might be thinking, okay, I'm seeing what they can do, I'm seeing what they're capable of, but what's the point? How are we, what am I gonna do with this? You're like, okay, like it can make me little videos. Like, what am I gonna do with this, right? If you want to know more about this, they have a little a white paper, technical report, and it kind of goes into how it actually works. They'll tell you about, the for the tech guys, for the tech bros, it'll tell you how it actually works. It'll tell you like how they compress the images, how they do the data, how they do the tokens, pretty much how they process it, how the video compression works, how they fix the lags, pretty much it shows you how to do it. So if you kind of want to know the step-by-step process, if you want to know how this actually works, how, OpenAI was actually able to do this, you can click on the little, ask for the little white paper, right? But for the people that are already like, okay, I kind of get that kind of get the gist, like how can I make some money off of it, right? Boom. This is called Gemini. This is an OpenAI. It's kind of like ChatGPT, but this is for Google, right? The thing about ChatGPT is I don't have ChatGPT 4, so I don't have it connected to the internet. So it's like from 2023. So it's not gonna know about literally the new product that OpenAI created. But this one is going to know. So I say, do you know what OpenAI's Sora is? So pretty much if I ask Google's Gemini, pretty much Google's version of ChatGPT, if I ask them if they know what Sora is, it will actually give me a response and it will say, yes, I do. OpenAI Sora is cutting edge text and model, and it says the capabilities, pretty much offers a minute long, generates complex scenes, visuals, camera movements, multiple characters. It offers high quality visuals. Okay, so it pretty much gives you what it is, right? And so the reason why this is so important, if I said, give me 10 niches that I could potentially make content for using Sora. And let's see if it can give us 10 niches, right? Okay, so kind of like this. You can take this image generator, right? You can take this image generator and you can potentially make money off of it, right? You can do things like explainer videos. Use Sora to create visually engaging explainer videos to complex topics, breaking them down into digestible segments and animated characters and scenes, right? Easy, especially if you're in the STEM field, healthcare, or even marketing explanations. Meaning, if you're trying to explain a product, if you're trying to explain a service, if you're trying to explain a concept, you can use it to make explainer videos. You can use it for educational content, right? You can create interactive and engaging educational content for children and adults. Imagine historical events coming to life, scientific concept visually explained, or language lessons with animated characters interacting. So it's one of those things where you can understand the fact that people love visuals and you can use visuals to your advantage, right? I'm gonna say, for each of these, how much could I charge and how many clients do I need to make 100K a year, right? So I'm asking it. I'm like, hey, I see that you give me all these things, right? Because like I said, it's like you can use it for art and storytelling. You can use it for social media content. You can use it for personal content, video game trailers, marketing and advertising campaigns. You can use it for accessibility tools, virtual reality experience, right? And so pretty much, I wanted to know how much money could we make off of this, right? So it kind of goes something like this. If I wanted to make explainer videos, I could charge per product probably $500 to $2,000 to make something for a person, right? If you come to me and I say, hey, if you say, hey, I have a video on, say, like this book, right? There's this book, right? It's called The Entrepreneur Next Door, right? Say somebody comes to me and they say, hey, I have this book and I want to, turn it into a video, or I want to explain it, or I want to make a trailer, I want to do whatever. Somebody can come to me and I can say, no problem. Give me $500 to $2,000 and I will make you a video. If somebody wants educational content, no problem. Give me 1,000 to 3,000. If somebody wants a product demonstration, no problem. Give me 1,000 to 4,000. If you want social media content, no problem. Give me $250 per video. It's one of those things where you can make money selling these contents, right? You can make money selling these content. And then, like I said, don't forget, offer packages with different tiers, complexity, and features. Consider discounts for bulk orders or long-term contracts. Upsell additional services like editing, voiceovers, and script writing. Network with businesses and individuals in your target niche. Build a strong online presence to showcase your effectively. It's one of those things where if you understand the fact that people like to watch stuff, Instagram, think about how Instagram works. TikTok, think about how TikTok works. All they do is literally show people content. People are just watching content. And the thing about these contents, the content that does the best, people like Mr. Beast, are the ones that are engaging, the ones that are satisfying, the ones that are creative, the ones that are retentive, right? So the reason why this is so important is because you can use something like Sora, right? You can use something like Sora and potentially make money. So if you go to Instagram and you type in oddly satisfying AI, something like this can be created with Sora, right? You could type in, oh, a heart-shaped animation with the eyeballs rolling, whatever, with the stripe. You literally can type it. Look at this. This has 7,000 likes. This dude literally has 197,000, right? 197,000. And this is the thing. Let's go to his page, right? This is a random dude I clicked on. I actually just typed the thing, but let's go to this guy's page, right? This guy is selling this. Look at this. He's making this art piece and he's selling them. So imagine if you could sell your videos. Imagine if you could sell your artwork. Look at this. He's creating real products in real life. Look at this. He probably typed in, he said, I teamed up with Lexus to create this stand. Look at this. Look at this. This guy was started off making videos like this. Like, look at this. You can make oddly satisfying videos. Look at this. I don't even know what this is, but it has 3,000 likes. Okay, people are watching this. People are engaging in this, and this guy's satisfied. He already got a brand deal. Like I said, he already teamed up with Lexus. I don't have to lie to you about this. He's getting brand deals. Why? Because he's doing things like making content, making little animations like this, making little look at this. It's just creative. So you can use Dolly, right? I mean, not Dolly. You can use Sora to create content, right? And then post this content on social media to make money off of it. Something like this. Something like this. You can make money off of it because Sora will create something like this for you. People are engaged, and look at this. This is fire. This is dope. Blah blah blah. Look at this. People are engaging. People are, and like I said, he's not the only person. He's not the only guy that's doing this, right? If I go back to the oddly satisfying, right? If I go back to oddly satisfying, there's more people making more videos, right? Say like something like this. This is AI generated, right? Let's say, oh, this is beautiful, right? This girl right here, AI generated. Look at this, AI generated, 1,000 likes. Let's go to her page. 31,000 subscribers. Look at this. All of this. Amazing. Look at this. All this is AI generated. Okay. All this is AI generated. Look at this. Click on this. The butterfly is moving. AI generated. Look at this. 8,000 likes. I really love this style. Like this. Charming. So good. So beautiful. Wow. Fresh. Look at this. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. Cute one. Oh my God, hard eyes, hard eyes. Look at this. I'm telling you, it's one of those things where you just use this. Use ChatGPT. If I said, if I said, I am in the oddly satisfying niche. If I said, give me 10 Sora prompts that I could use to make animated oddly satisfying videos. All right, so I just type it out, and it's literally gonna give me maybe a couple prompts like this: kinetic sand, soap carving, liquid metal. So I say, imagine a mesmerizing scene where colorful. So I could do like I could do mesmerizing scene where colorful kinetic sand is sculpted into this, then flatten layers, creating a this. So pretty much, if I were to take this phrase right here, mesmerizing scene of that. If I were to take right here and say, it's an interactive process of carving a soap into detail this with close-up shot. Oh my God, it literally will create me things like this. And what do? I just create an Instagram account. I'm just posting them, staying consistent. And what happens? I start to grow. This person's using AI. All these pictures are fake. All these pictures, these are not real people. But look how amazing this is. This actually looks, if I actually would want to get to know this person. Look at this. This looks real. This looks real. So it's one of those things where at the end of the day, you can make money off of Sora. It's not out yet for the public, but once it is, you can create visual amazing videos. This is one of my favorite ones. You can create videos that will make you money. So it's one of those things where if you understand that Sora has the potential to create you any visual you want. You can create visuals and post it on social media platforms, because social media platforms are literally just visuals. Social media platforms are literally just people just posting visuals. So if you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next.